my life, pinapawisan talaga ako, guys. Kasi nakaka-excite yun. I'm always excited to know that my surprise viewers over here. Oh my God, it's always surprise. So we have here. I have a new viewer here with and also interactor with Sir Nick, David Hagen. Sir Nick. David Hagen. Thank you so much, sir, for being here in my live, sir. Welcome to my live, sir. Welcome to Daphne and Victoria 777. Talagang you make me bigla akong nainit. Oh my God. Sir Nick, I'm also 46 years old, Sir Nick, and I'm very proud to be 46, all right? I'm very proud to be 46 years old. So we're the same age. Ano mo na?
Wala taong piling ako na nagsarado sila na yung kanilap dito mag-box.
Wala mo, hindi sa baka may wala yung tao sa kilid. Naamay tao. Sige lang. So, dili na tayo magbutang crispy fry na chicken. Ano na lang. Hello everyone! Kaya ko pala yung magbutay. Hello to my Victoria here. This is my name is Daphne and this is my daughter Victoria over here. Say hi to them.
Hi!
This is my only daughter Victoria. That's why our YouTube channel is at Daphne and Victoria 777. Invite them Victoria to watch. Tingnan mo na lagyan ng lipstick. Ano ka doon, magpunas ka doon. Saka ito, lagyan mo ng init tubig sa akin. Ano na ko ng init tubig doon, Toya. Bigla akong pinapawisan. I don't know ha, pag every time talaga na mag-live ako guys, talagang pinapawisan ako guys. Lipstick. Ay ako tapos ang naon. Thank you so much, Bernadette Alconten. Thank you so much sa all my viewers. Oh my God, ang pawis ko, day. Oh my God, no, I'm very sorry. I'm very noisy, guys. No, I'm just happy. I am just happy, okay? It makes me happy. Thank you so much, viewers, for watching me, guys. Thank you so much. La 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 la. Oh my God. It's a little bit cloudy here. Ayun na, in Davao City right now, it's cloudy, guys. Talaga pinapawisan ako. Thank you so much for watching me over there. So all my silent viewers, thank you so much. I really need you to know that I really appreciate your presence here in my life. Thank you! Victoria! Dili ka gusto mag-ano? La 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 la! La 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 la! La 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 la. All mga viewers, wag naman kayo maghiya to interact with me, guys. Don't be shy to interact with me, right? I'm just here. Hindi po ako nangangagat. Okay, guys? Hindi po ako nangangagat, guys. You can always interact with me. Pwede po kayo mag-message sa akin, okay? Whatever you like to know about me, I can be your friend as well. So, lahat ng yung mga kahapon, ang saya-saya ng live ko kahapon talaga, na-inspired ako doon because sometimes talaga, I'm not always live kasi. Kasi meron kasi mga time na I am busy, okay? I am busy. So, no matter how I wish that I wanted to be live, I wanted to go live here in YT. And then, minsan, drain po talaga yung energy ko. And then, I really don't want, hala! Hi pala! Hi Cassandra Joyce Alcontin. Please do share my live. Ha, love you pala. Thank you so much. And kasi, pag drain kasi yung energy ko, alam mo, pag babae ka, pag nade-drain yung energy ng babae na, alam mo, pag napapagod yung babae, especially po sa gaya namin, sa edad ko, alam mo, hindi na nagsasalita si Sir David. Kasi sinabi ko na same age kami, okay? I think he's looking for younger, but it's okay, hindi naman ako naghahanap eh. Diba? Pero I really appreciate it. Meron tayong mga foreigner na nagme-message talaga sa akin. I really appreciate Sir David. I really appreciate of your effort, of your time to interact with me here. I really appreciate that a lot po. Sa lahat po ng mga nag-i-interact sa akin, guys, oh my God, it really mean a lot to me as your host here doing live for you. And then, na-appreciate ko po talaga yun, guys. Okay? Thank you so much, guys.